22nd. And this is our all Minion collection.
Yeah.
All of them are Bob and stuff, but yeah. We love Bob mostly. And there are 3 different Minions around here.
Yeah.
Better than Bob. I mean, all these are Bob. The ones with the bald heads are Bob, except for the banana one. Not this banana one, the other one. You cannot actually see the banana because I'm gonna introduce him until I'm done introducing the other ones and all that. Yeah. So first we have this one. I don't know when we got this, but I'll say Toys R Us or Walmart somewhere. I don't know. And we lost a teddy bear on this thing that goes over this arm. And actually, he does something like this. And this. Like when you press the back, he does the eye close, and you press his pocket. Yes. So yeah. And this was our second Minion. He doesn't do try me mode. When I turn on try me mode, it's already on that mode. Okay, it's not in try me mode. And when I turn on try me mode, this happens. Nothing.
But there's an easier way.
No, I meant actual try me mode.
Yeah.
But that's all I'm gonna show you for him.
Yeah.
You're gonna do all the other ones until we do. I mean, this might be longer than I thought because there's a lot of Minions, so I'll do this fast. And what was the next one? Yeah. Oh yeah, he was the next Minion that we had. He moves his arms. He is Disco Dancing Bob. I introduced him on my birthday when my video came out. So yeah.
We already introduced him.
I forgot to show you this one before I showed the Disco Dancing Bob.
And we already introduced Boogie Bob.
No, we didn't. And I got him from my grandma's house. It was no longer hers. I don't know why, but this was from the Despicable Me 3. It was from McDonald's. So yeah, it doesn't do anything. We don't have the bananas for that thing.
Yeah.
But we can like talk with it like, hey, you want to shoot some bananas? So yeah, that was the next Minion. And this was for my brother's birthday. He talks a lot. So yeah, that's him. And I cannot remember which March that was, but yeah, I do remember having that. I do remember when my brother had that. So next is Boogie Bob. He was very expensive, as I thought. He was from Target. His arm is broken.
You just said that again.
Would you stop? I know I said that over again. I didn't say his arm was broken. He was very expensive. He was very expensive still, so his arm is broken. I don't know. I think we messed with that arm too much. This arm is fine, but we're not going to mess with that one because I'm afraid it's going to do the same thing as this arm. So, yeah. Remember the last time we made that video yesterday? Called all the eBay listing toys review. And that turkey is something else. I did not know where. Yeah, it was from eBay, but I had no idea what that was about. And I picked this out at Walmart. last month. I'm not gonna press the button. This thing is small. It's a loud rally toy. So yeah, I don't know what it is, but yeah. And this was for my brother. There's another one of this at Walmart. It wasn't online. It was at the store in Walmart. This was all of them were very cheap actually. The tiny ones were very cheap. So yeah. This the he only has 10 sounds on this. I I I thought it was 10 plus, but it was 10 sounds actually. So yeah, those were the last minions. So we're gonna do him first. Getting ready. I should do this fast. Okay, this is what he does. Oh, I forgot about that. I forgot. Okay. He didn't work after we had him for a while. Hey, Bob! This arm is broken. I think we got this in Toys R Us or Walmart or something. I don't know. It might have been expensive, but I don't know, okay? He was also listed on eBay somewhere. He works by now. And I fixed him in February or something. I don't know. Hi, Ginge. He should be done. He's done.
Oh yeah, Ginger's like a lucky boy.
So yeah.
And guys, we forgot to say Ginger is 1 year old.
Yeah.
He's a grown up.
I don't know when, but it was on the 13th.
May.
Because it was it's Saturday, and I don't remember anything now. So yeah. So this was our next electronic minion. All the other ones are just yeah. Let's try him. I'll make this fast as I can. He doesn't move side by side anymore. He is something now. And this is the one I was telling you about from my brother's birthday. He does something on this arm. Yes. Like, he is something else. Yeah. And this was our next one. We got him like 2 months ago in Target. His butt moves. Yeah, that April Fool's video, I can tell, you can tell that he was brought in March or something. I don't know if you can tell it was like that, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. And this guy, he is very funny. We decided to get him. And this is the most thing you can ever see. See, that was cool actually. So yeah.
Hey, October Earth, I'm gone. I'm March. Hey guys, didn't you recognize I'm March Neptune?
You know that.
And also, guys, I'm gonna be getting frosty flakes. Okay.
Okay. So this one. Oh wait, hold on. You wasn't the next one. He. Remember I showed you what he does. He is cool. So I decided to get for my brother March Neptune. So yeah. I remember showing you him and him. We cut the tag off on him because it was giving me a paper cut when I was trying to hold him when he was going crazy. He was a crazy minion and he does something else.
Why is that door open?
Okay, he moves by himself.
Ah, okay. Sulit kong pumpidura.
I should have put him back in the box. It's not the exact. I forgot he falls down. So yeah, that is all for the Minion video. So thanks for watching. Bye.